Today we are crocheting a Christmas bell. First, hold the yarn. Start with a magic ring. Insert the hook through the loop. Pull through. Chain stitches. Round 1 to 5 single crochets. Place a marker at the first single crochet. Place a marker at the last stitch. Tighten the loop. Remove the first marker. Slip stitches to join with the first stitch. Chain stitches. Round 2, increase in each of the 5 single crochets. Place a marker at the first stitch. At the 5th stitch, remove the marker. Place a marker. Remove the first marker. Slip stitches to join with the first stitch. Chain stitches. Round to completed. Round 3, increase in each of the 10 single crochets. Place a marker at the first stitch. Tenth stitch. Slip stitches to join with the first stitch. Chain stitches. Rounds 4 to 9, 20 single crochets each round. Round 9, last stitch. Slip stitches to join with the first stitch. Chain stitches. 9 rounds completed. Round 10 to 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. Place a marker at the single crochet. Pay attention to the stitch placement. First set completed, total of 10 sets. Tenth set. Slip stitches to join with the first stitch. Chain stitches. Round 10 completed. Round 11 30 single crochets. Thirtieth single crochet. Slip stitches to join with the first stitch. Chain stitches. Round 12, slip stitch plus chain stitch as one set. Total of 30 sets. Round 12 completed. Next, make the bow. Don't forget to weave in the ends. Start with a chain stitch. "50 chain stitches. Slip stitches at the 49th stitch. Total of 49 slip stitches. Woven in the ends. Crochet a hanging loop at this position. 30 chain stitches, or adjust the number based on desired length. Crocheting completed, sewn together. Next, sew the bow. Have you learned it? Please like and follow. Leave a comment to share.